That's certainly the biggest apple cider vinegar mistake. Do you know what this mistake is? You might have even made it before. In this video, we'll highlight the 5 most common mistakes people make when consuming apple cider vinegar to reap its benefits. By doing so, they end up making it more harmful than beneficial. But don't worry, we'll also show you the right way to do it. That way, you'll get the best that apple cider vinegar has to offer. Remember that apple cider vinegar is a healthy product that can have positive effects on your health if consumed correctly. It's also a natural remedy to improve digestion and bowel function. It's one of the favorite ingredients for those looking to detoxify their body. We've talked extensively about its benefits here on the channel. Take a look at the playlist we're suggesting above. However, when it comes to apple cider vinegar, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. It can end up doing more harm than good if consumed or used incorrectly. Here are 5 common mistakes people make when consuming apple cider vinegar. The 5th one is something many people do without realizing it. Drink it right after eating. If you have a habit of drinking apple cider vinegar right after a meal, you need to rethink. To yield the maximum benefits, apple cider vinegar should be consumed on an empty stomach. If you experience digestion problems, try taking it before your meal. This will replace the lost gastric juices and help with easier digestion. Inhaling before drinking. Not many know it. Apple cider vinegar can cause an unpleasant reaction in the nose or eyes, so it's best not to take a strong whiff. The potent smell of vinegar can act as an irritant, so be careful not to inhale in strongly. It is recommended to consume diluted apple cider vinegar. It takes away the smell and protects your teeth and esophagus. Mix 1 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 100 milliliters of water before consuming. Brushing your teeth right after. Do not brush your teeth right after consuming apple cider vinegar. Brushing the teeth right after gulping down apple cider vinegar can wear away tooth enamel and lead to cavities and decay. Thus, it is best to wait for 30 minutes before you brush your teeth after having apple cider vinegar. Start by consuming large doses. Have you ever heard that what makes the medicine or poison is the dose? That's very true. I've made that mistake myself. If you are new to apple cider vinegar, do not start by taking too much of it. This will help you understand how your body reacts to it. If you get an upset stomach or a burning feeling, you can reduce the amount. Have it right before bed. Having apple cider vinegar right before bedtime can be harmful to your esophagus as it has the potential to creep back up the esophagus. To prevent acid reflux and irritation to the esophagus, always sit upright for at least 30 minutes after consuming apple cider vinegar, regardless of the time. Now that you know how to consume it correctly, how about learning more about the benefits of apple cider vinegar? I'm sure you'll be impressed with what we reveal about apple cider vinegar in the video above.